Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of BitTorrent BTT token, and I will tell you my next medium duration and long duration targets for this token, as well as I am going to tell you my immediate short term target for this token right now. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of BitTorrent and it is currently trading at $0.00519329 and price increases 30% in just 24 hours. Here you can see. And in BTC pair price increases 31.5%. Current rank of this token is 36 and it is the tab where you click and it will lead you to the website. This is the website. Please do your own research before investing in this token. I will not responsible any of your loss because this video is not for investment purpose only. This video is just informational purpose only, and I will not responsible. And this is the website. Please visit this website, and very good project, and I am very bullish on this. I was uploaded first video of BTT some days ago, and in that video I was told you that BTT will give you 800%, and currently it is in very much profit, and I'm going to show you all these things in this video. So please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the app of this BTT, and here you can see these are the exchanges where you can get the BTT token: Binance, OK, Huobi, BitHub, and KuCoin, and beautiful exchanges. These are the partners or programs, you can say. Please do your own research, and if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds, I think so. And let's dive into the CoinGecko page, and let me please tell you some information. Market cap of this token is $3.3 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 4.7 billion, which is very great. And circulating supply of this token is 6.5 billion and total supply of this token is 9.9 million and billion, and 24-hour low price of this token is 0.00395 and 24-hour high price of this token is 0.00547. In 30 days, this token gives 351% profit to its holders. In 1 year, this token gives 2,220% profit to its holders. Return on investment of this token is 4,189%, which is very good. Market cap dominance of this token is very great, 0.18, and all-time high of this token was on March 31, 2021, and just 5 hours ago, and the price was 0.005479. And all-time low of this token was about 1 year ago, and it was on March 13, 2020, and the price was 0.00013814. This token is available in these exchanges. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please tell you what are the targets. This is the BTT USD hit BTC chart, and it is 4-hour chart. And in my previous video, I was told you it was in this symmetrical triangle, and after breakout, I was told you that this was the target, and how beautifully it hit my target. Many congratulations who took this trade. And let me please remove this. And let me please tell you what is the next move. Here you can see at that price BTT rejects. Here you can see like this. Let me rearrange. It is currently is at 0.005137 and it is creating a bull flag. And let me please change the color of this because this is not a resistance. This is the support zone. Let me please tell you what is the target of this bull flag. Bull flag is actually a very bullish pattern, and it have to hit the target. I think BTT have to hit this target very soon, and this is the target 0.00674. This is the target for immediate, you can say immediate short-term target for the BTT. And let me please tell you target according to support and resistance. And in that case, price will go to, here you can see 0.00712. And let me please show you my medium duration target for this token right now. And please thumbs up the like button right now. But before this, I have to show you EMA ribbon. Here you can see EMA ribbon is currently at that point at support zone of BTT, which is 0.00414, and it is now a beautiful support for the Bitcoin. And let me please show you the volume. Very great volume, good volume, I think, and price will go up, definitely will go up after this. And let me please arrange this chart, and please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel. I think I will give you more exclusive content in near future. That is why I am asking you to join this channel, because of this. Let me please show you my first target according to this pattern, and let me please arrange this. Friend, I'm very much sure that this token can hit this target. I'm very much sure. According to the Fib retracement tool, this is the target, and it can hit within 1 day, 2 days, maybe 2 or 3 days, in very near, within days, I think. So it can hit, because this token is very bullish right now. And this is the first medium duration target, first target, which I think very much achievable. And these are 3 targets: 67, 0.0067, 0.00712, and 0.0089. According to the Fib retracement, this is the target 0.0089. And let me please tell you my medium duration target. I'm very much sure that within 6 months, this token can hit this zone. I think so. This token can hit this zone, I'm sure. Within 6 to 8 months, I think this token can hit 0.023. And let me please tell you my final target. In 2021, I think this token can hit $0.025, and this will be the very realistic target, and very realistic, I think so, because in my previous video, when I was told you this token can give 800% profit, and believe me guys, this token is approximately 500 to 600% up from that price. And this is my target of 2021, 0.025, and within 8 months, I think this token can hit this 0.023. And these are immediate short-term target. This token can hit any time in this bull run, and these are very immediate short-term. Maybe within some days, I think this token can hit this target, these 3 targets. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. I will bring more exclusive content for all of you, and please keep supporting me. Thanks for the watching, friends.